Welcome, gadget enthusiasts! Buckle up for a thrilling ride through the latest in futuristic tech. From high-speed C-scooters to mind-blowing triple-screen laptops, we've rounded up the most innovative gadgets, redefining adventure, productivity, and fun. Hengbot Sirius, the world's first trainable AI robotic dog that actually feels alive, not just in its movements, but in how it connects with you. Packed with over 1,000 lifelike motions, a 5-TOPS AI processor, and a suite of sensors, it responds to your presence with tail wags, zoomies, and those little head tilts that make it feel like a real companion. It can navigate your space using TOF sensors, recognize your voice and face through an onboard 8-megapixels camera, and even react to your touch with joyful affection. Weighing just 1 kilogram, Sirius is incredibly agile, moving with 360-degree fluid motion thanks to its omnidirectional drive. Whether it's hopping playfully, weaving between your feet, or pausing to look at you like a curious puppy, every interaction feels personal. With on-device recognition and cloud-based AI language support, it listens, learns, and grows with you, a robotic pet that doesn't just move, but understands. Ultra Pro, the world's first smart LTE dashcam equipped with cutting-edge Q-Track technology, offering crystal-clear 360-degree 4K dual-lens recording, AI-powered parking protection, real-time GPS tracking, and seamless integration with Apple and Google's Find My networks. Whether you're driving or parked, it actively defends your vehicle, sending instant alerts during break-ins, bumps, or suspicious movement. Its SOS system automatically notifies emergency contacts after a collision, ensuring you're never alone in a crisis. The setup is tool-free with a simple OBD2 plug-in, and the device is built tough, with water resistance and durability in mind. With built-in LTE, you can view live footage from anywhere in the world. Ultra Pro isn't just a dash cam, it's your car's smart guardian, on and off the road. FlipGo Horizon transforms your laptop into a modular triple-screen powerhouse using its patented snap lock system and magnetic snap stand. Instantly attach screens in portrait or landscape, powered by a single cable connection via SnapStand Pro with USB, Ethernet, and PD charging support. Enjoy unmatched flexibility, stack screens vertically for coding, go full landscape for editing, or pop one on solo for compact work. Compatible with MacBooks M1, M4, and more, it's designed for creators, coders, and remote pros. Unlike hinge-damaging clamps, FlipGo uses zero-pressure magnetic mounts for safety. Portable, customizable, and clutter-free, it's the future of mobile workstations ready to snap, stack, and expand with you. The JMGO PicoPlay is a compact yet powerful 3-in-1 gadget that combines a full HD projector, an 8-watt Dolby Bluetooth speaker, and dynamic ambient lighting with an optical filter. With built-in Google TV, it offers access to over 10,000 apps and 800+ free live channels, giving you non-stop entertainment at your fingertips. It delivers stunning visuals with 400 ISO lumens brightness, 90% DCI-P3 cinema-level color, and up to a 200-inch projection size. Whether it's movie nights at home or outdoor adventures, the 88-degree rotating gimbal and Flexi Smart system let you project anywhere, even on the ceiling. It connects easily via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, or HDMI, and can run for hours using a 65-watt Type-C power bank or the upcoming battery tripod. Compact, stylish, and loaded with features, PicoPlay is built to transform any space into a cinematic experience. Greenmars X1, a powerful dual-motor swimming scooter built for serious pool fun and open-water adventures. With twin 350-watt motors and a thrust of 116 N, it reaches speeds up to 2 meters per second, giving swimmers a smooth, effortless ride whether they're gliding in the pool or exploring the ocean. Designed for both kids and adults, it offers up to 220 pounds of buoyancy, making it safe even for beginners. With a runtime of up to 80 minutes, this lightweight 4 kilograms device is easy to carry in one hand or toss in a backpack. From backyard pool games to beach getaways, the X1 transforms any swim into an exciting journey. Its tough ABS shell and cushioned EPP foam body ensure safety and durability, while its compact design makes it a perfect companion for summer adventures filled with laughter, motion, and endless water fun. TiScout is not your average EDC tool. It's an 8-in-1 triangular survival beast, forged from titanium, stainless steel, and brass, combining raw utility with rugged beauty. Compact yet hardcore, this tool fits in your pocket and packs a compass, thermometer, level, magnifying glass, crowbar, fire starter, bottle opener, and even stress relief features. It's built around a military-grade navigation system with dual tritium glow tubes, letting you find your way even in complete darkness. From sparking a flame in the rain with its hidden magnesium rod, to prying open boxes, or lighting a fire with sunlight using its high transmittance lens, every feature is crafted for survival. Its modular shell lets you personalize it, while the crisp mechanical click when opening and closing delivers a satisfying feel that's oddly calming. Whether you're hiking, exploring, or just love cool gear, TiScout is the kind of companion that always feels ready for the unexpected. Blissol, a lightweight science-backed headband that helps your mind relax using a gentle 0.5 Hz signal to match your brain's natural delta waves, the ones linked to deep sleep and total relaxation. Weighing just 33 grams and shaped to fit all heads comfortably, it works by syncing with your brain's natural delta wave rhythms, the same ones responsible for deep sleep and full-body recovery. Whether you're dealing with stress, struggling to unwind after screen time, or just want better quality sleep, Blissol helps rebalance your mind without pills, wires, or overwhelming signals. Just 30 minutes a day can lead to noticeable changes in how rested you feel, thanks to its CES-recognized technology and third-party sleep test results. No charging, no setup, just slip it on, press one button, and let it guide you into calm. Whether you're on a flight, at your desk, or in bed, Blissol is your portable mental reset button. Sleep Earbuds, a game-changing pair of ultra-soft, micro-designed Bluetooth earbuds crafted specifically for side sleepers who struggle with noise, discomfort, or restless nights. Weighing just 2.7 grams and shaped to blend seamlessly into your ears, they stay secure without pressure even when you toss and turn. With passive noise isolation rivaling top-tier earplugs, they block out snoring, city sounds, or racing thoughts while streaming calming audio from your favorite apps. Powered by a smart dual-mode system, you can stream music or podcasts during the day and blend soundscapes like ocean waves or white noise at night. A built-in sleep tracker analyzes your REM, light, and deep sleep, helping you wake up truly refreshed. Featuring touch-free controls, a battery that lasts all night, and a feather-light memory foam fit, Sleep transforms your sleep routine into something you'll look forward to every night. That's a wrap on today's tech tour. From epic water gear to cutting-edge devices, these gadgets prove the future is already here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech every week. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.